Welcome! Today, we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to convert an Excel spreadsheet to a CSV file. Ready to get started? Hello, and welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Joanne, and our team is here to make Excel simple with clear and concise tutorials. To convert your Excel spreadsheet to a CSV file, start by going to the File menu and selecting Save As. Here, you'll need to give your file a new name. Let's add the word Test to make it easy to identify. Now, let's choose the correct file type. In the Save as Type drop-down, you'll notice several CSV file options. Let's go over the main ones. The most commonly used option is CSV, Delimited. This format saves your data as a text file with values separated by commas. It's ideal if you'll be using this CSV file on Windows devices and software, ensuring characters are interpreted correctly. For Mac users, there's CSV, Macintosh. This is designed for compatibility with the Mac operating system, formatting data for seamless use on those devices. Another option is CSV, MS-DOS, which is useful if you're working with software that specifically requires this format. If your file includes special characters or needs to be compatible with certain programs, select CSV UTF-8. This option preserves a wider range of characters in your data. For this example, we'll choose CSV, Delimited and press Save. Now our Excel data has been converted into a CSV file. Let's open this CSV file in Notepad. Here, you can see the data stored in rows, with each value separated by a comma, which acts as a delimiter. Although CSV stands for comma-separated values, different symbols like semicolons can also be used as delimiters. Want to learn how to convert a CSV file back to Excel? Check out our tutorial linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and explore more of our Excel tips here on Tech Leveler. New to our channel? Hit subscribe and join our community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.